Okay, just pulled out of Patsy's. We've been visiting this morning, and this is something coming by. We're going out to eat, but looks like a Memorial Day thing of some sort. That is Kavanaugh Hill in the background, by the way. So here's going to be a sign. We'll see what this says. The old Memorial Day wagon train. And it looks like they're riding along. No idea where they're heading. Mule power. Not horsepower, but mule power. Clear in the back, looks like they got an extra mule. And I guess that's that. Well, there's three mules pulling that one. The end.